In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of your WhatsApp profile picture not showing to others. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you're in, tap on the Settings option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on Privacy. Now, tap on Profile Photo. Here you'll find an important section titled Who Can See My Profile Photo? As you can see here, if it's set to Nobody, that's why no one can see your profile picture. To fix this issue, simply tap on Everyone. By doing this, your profile picture will be visible to anyone using WhatsApp. If you'd prefer not to share your profile picture with everyone but still want it visible to some people, choose My Contacts. This setting allows only those saved in your contacts list to view your photo. Additionally, make sure that any person who can't see your profile picture isn't blocked by you. To check if they're blocked, go back into Privacy Settings and scroll down to find Blocked. If they appear here, simply unblock them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.